Okay, so do you have any problem in question number 9? Okay, because I think question number 9 we solved last time. So like a problem 7, then you can ask. If not, then let's move to the question number 10. Okay. Okay, who is asking?
I am asking.
Okay, which number?
9B.
9B. Okay. So let's do question number 9B. Okay. So let's see here. Question number 9B. Question number 9B. I'm going to zoom it. In question number 9B, in a survey of 200 families, 80 were found using A brand tea only, 75 were found using B brand tea only, and each family is using at least one of the two brands. Okay, each family is using at least one of the two brands. यसको मिनिङ के हो भने देयर इज यसमा चाहिँ हामीलाई n of u हैन टोटल नम्बर अफ फ्यामिलीज भनेको n of u हैन किन भन्दा यहाँ कम्प्लिमेन्ट छैन. ओके, so draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the above information. How many families are using both brands? How many families are using A brand? How many families are using B brand? Okay, so let's this I'm going to do here on the board. Okay, so let's see. So question number okay, so let's see here question number 9B. Okay, question number 9B I'm going to do here question number 9B. Question number 9B. So what is the necessary thing to write here at first? That is the we have to suppose here sets. Okay, I'm going to set suppose गर्नु पर्यो. Sets मा यहाँ A brand T, okay, A brand T र B brand T भनेको छ. So just you can suppose here A and B. Okay, A brand T and B brand T. So let A and B. Okay, let A and B be the sets of what we have to suppose here. Okay, let A and B be the sets of families. Sets of families. Okay, sets of families who were using okay, were using A brand T or A brand T. Okay, we're using A brand T and B brand T respectively. Okay, in this way we have to write first of all language. This is the important part of the solution. Let A and B be the sets of families who are using A brand T and B brand T respectively. Okay, just we have supposed there are two sets. And what are the things given here we are going to write here? Okay, things given here are in a survey of 200 families, means total number of families is 200. What I have already told you here is union. N of A union B is equals to what is given here? 200. N of A union B is equals to 200 because at least, okay, what is given here? At least one of the two brands family is using at least one of the two brands. भनेकै छ यो 200 families ले कुनै न कुनै brand त use गरिरहेकै छन् भन्न खोजेको है त. कुनै न कुनै brand use गरिरहेकै छन् को meaning के हो? There is no complement. दुवै brand use नगर्ने, number of families are not there. Okay, both brand use नगर्ने है त. Okay, the number of families who are not using both brands are not there है. छैन किन भन्दा at least एउटा न एउटा त के गरिरहेछन् त यहाँ युज गरिरहेछन्. त्यही भएर in this case we have to write here total number of families भनेको n of A union B. अब यो केसमा चाहिँ युनियनले हामीलाई टोटल नम्बर दिन्छ है त. So n of A union B is 200. N of A union B is 200. 80 were found using A brand T only. Okay, so N not A or N only A. You can write here N only A is 80. N only A is 80. N only B is 75. Okay, you can see here because 75 were found using B brand T only भएको हुनाले हामीले यसो लेख्नु पर्यो N only A, N only B. Then now we have to show this in a Venn diagram. Draw a Venn diagram. यहाँ अर्को हामीलाई इन्फर्मेसन के छ भने इज फ्यामिली इज युजिङ एट लिस्ट वान अफ द टु ब्रान्ड्स भनेको छ। त्यो त्यसको मिनिङ हामीलाई यो यहाँ युनिभर्सल नभएर युनियन हो भन्ने इन्फर्मेसन हो। ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टु first we have to draw a Venn diagram. Okay, we have to draw the Venn diagram, and you know that हामीले Venn diagram draw गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि we need this one intersection part because we have to fill it first. यो चाहियो हामीले let n of a intersection b is equals to x. We have to suppose this. Okay, then only now we can show in a Venn diagram. Okay, अब चाहिँ हामीले now drawing a Venn diagram to show the above information. Okay, now drawing a Venn diagram. Drawing a Venn diagram. Drawing a Venn diagram to show the above information. You have to write here to show the above information. Okay, so now we have to draw here Venn diagram. Now drawing a Venn diagram to show the above information. So you know, yeah, overlapping sets. So you know, overlapping on the you are asked there how many families are using both brands. Okay, त्यो भनेको intersection छ भन्ने, you know that from there. Both the sets are overlapping sets. Okay, intersecting sets. So intersecting sets in this way you can write here. So this one is A, this one is B. Okay, so first of all you have to fill up here. This is X, and now this time यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले n only a is itself here. n only a नै छ, यहाँ माइनस गरेर लेख्ने होइन अब, किन भन्दा it is not n of a. यो n of a भइदिएको भए टोटल हुन्थ्यो, n of a भएको भए टोटल हुन्थ्यो. only छ, only भनेको डाइरेक्टली you can write here 80. okay, यहाँ डाइरेक्टली लेख्न मिल्यो किन भन्दा n only a छ. similarly n only b is there. okay, n only b is there, so we can write here 75. okay, any question? Okay, so we have to write here n only a 80. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So here we have written here intersection X only A only B, and you can write the notation. Okay, so insert you can write your notation. This is n only a. Okay, so insert you can write here n only a. Okay, we can see n only a. This side, if you insert inside, then this is n only b. Okay, this is n only b. This one is n only a, n only b, and this part is intersection. Okay, intersection is n of a intersection b. Intersection is n of a intersection b. Okay, this much. Now we have shown here in a Venn diagram. Venn diagram हामीले n only a show गर्यौं, n only b show गर्यौं, intersection show गर्यौं. Okay, these are the things given, and we have shown here in a Venn diagram. Okay, after this, what is asked in the second question that we are going to find here? अब हामीलाई second मा सोधेको छ, how many families are using both brands? Okay, how many families are using both brands in second number? How many families are using both brands means you are asked to find here n of a intersection b is equals to what? Okay, हामीलाई सोधेको के हो त? n of a intersection b is equals to what? Both brands को meaning के हो? Intersection. So for this we are going to use a normal formula to find n of a intersection b. By formula. Okay, by formula, what formula we are going to use? Normal formula of a union b. Either n of a union b formula we are going to write. Wait. Okay, so n of a intersection b we have to find by formula, normal formula. Let's use here n of a union b formula. हामीले n of a union b को formula use गर्दैछौं, and I think you know what is the formula for n of a union b. Okay, do you know the formula for n of a union b? Do you know or not?
N not A plus N not B minus N A intersection.
Manav, slightly mistake. Say again.
N not A plus N not B minus N A intersection.
Again mistake you are saying. Okay, so listen here. What is N of A union B? You have to write here N not A plus N not B, and then again plus N of A intersection B. Okay, Manav is saying here 2 times minus 2 पटक सोधेको 2 पटक नै minus गर्ने है. Minus होइन. कति बेला minus होइन? When there are only parts. Only parts छ भने plus है हुन्छ है. Only को फर्मुलामा सबै plus हुन्छ, minus हुँदैन. Be careful about that. Only नभएको भए चाहिँ minus हुन्थ्यो. Okay. यहाँ only and not N not A and not B नभएर N of A N of B भएको भए minus हुन्थ्यो. Okay, but in this case both are only भएको हुनाले यो plus हुन्छ. Clear? Only को फर्मुला remember, only मा कहिले पनि minus हुँदैन. Only को फर्मुलामा you will have there plus. यसरी N not A N not B given छ भने intersection पनि plus नै गर्ने. Okay, so now let's put the value here. N of A union B means 200. N not A means 80. Okay, N not B means 75. Then plus this one we have to find N of A intersection B. For this we have to find the value. Okay, so let's find the sum here. 200 is equals to 80 plus 75. It will be 155. Okay, plus N of A intersection B. यसबाट हामीले N of A intersection B को value find out गर्नु पर्यो. Okay. So here it will be 200 then minus 155 is equals to N of A intersection B. And just by subtracting this, we'll get here 45. Okay, 45 equals to N of A intersection B. 45 is equals to N of A intersection B. Therefore, what we found here, therefore, N of A intersection B is equals to 45. N of A intersection B is equals to 45. Okay, now you can write the conclusion here. How many families are using both brands? Hence, 45 families. 45 families are using both brands. Okay, 45 families are using both brands. So I we have completed. Now let's move to the question number I. Okay. I ma herau. How many families are using A brand? Okay, how many families are using A brand? What is the set notation? Can you tell me? How many families are using A brand? भनेको छ यसको set notation के सोधेको होला हामीलाई? What is asked? Do you know what is asked here? How many families are using A brand? Okay.
So only A or A only?
Only A or A only?
We need to find A. Yes.
We have to find A, yeah. Yeah, we have to find A. Okay. But we have to find here N of A. N of A is equals to what? Okay. हामीलाई खास only भनेर word छैन यो क्वेशनमा only त हामीलाई given छ नि. Okay, now you can see there only is given. Only given भएर only नै सोध्या होइन. Okay, here what is asked? How many families are using A brand? How many families are using A brand भनेको N of A हो. Okay, N of A is asked. So, okay, now you will tell me the formula. By formula N of A को formula के हुन्छ? Can you tell me? What is the formula for N of A?
A plus N A intersection B.
Ah, very good, Christina. Very good. N on the A plus N of A intersection B. Okay, this is absolutely correct. Now, N only A means 80. And N of A intersection B means we have already found here 45. Okay. Now, हामीले 80 मा 45 add गर्यौं भने we'll get here 225. So this is the answer. So how many families are using A brand? Hence 225 families. Hence 225 families are using a brand. Okay, hence 225 families are using a brand. Okay, we found here a brand. Our similarly, I'm like B brand पनि सोधेको छ. Okay, so you can see here another question is how many families. Okay, any confusion? Oh, okay. Here should be 125. Right? Sorry. Yeah, 125 हुनुपर्ने हो, मैले 225 लेखेँ है. Okay, so 125 है. 80 plus 45 means 125. Okay, so now IB. In IB, you are asked to find how many families are using B brand. How many families are using here B brand? भनेको चाहिँ N of B is equals to what? Okay, N of B is equals to what? अब हामीलाई N of B find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. N of B by formula. Again, can you tell me the formula for N of B?
N only B plus N A intersection B.
Okay, N only B plus N of A intersection B. Very good. This is absolutely correct. Okay, N only B भनेको अब let's write here N only B हामीले यहाँ नभए पनि यहाँ चाहिँ 75. Okay, 75 plus intersection is 45. Intersection is 45. So 75 plus 45, you know that 120. Okay, 120. 75 plus 45 is 120. So we can write here hence 120 families. 120 families are using B brand. Okay, B brand T भनेर लेख्दियौ न. यहाँ पनि हामीले अघि 125 families are using A brand T भनेर लेख्दियौ. हामीले T को कुरा छ, so you can write here T. Okay, so how many families are using A brand? We found here 125. How many families are using B brand? We found here 120. So in this way we have completed this one. So do you have any confusion? You can ask. Kunai step mark. Do you have any confusion in any step? Okay, no one is responding. That means nobody has any confusion. Okay, so कसैलाई confusion छैन. Now let's move to the another question then. Okay, the 9 number we have completed. Now let's move to the question number 10. Okay, अब हामी question number 10 हेरौँ. Okay, you see here question number 10. Okay, to solve the question number 10 number question solve गर्नको लागि you need to know the simple rule of election. Okay, election को simple rule चाहिँ थाहा पाउनु पर्यो. यहाँ election को simple rule है के थाहा पाउनु पर्यो भन्दा यहाँ चाहिँ in an election of a municipality, X and Y were two candidates for the post of a mayor. There were 40,000 people in the voter list. Voters were supposed to cast the vote for a single candidate. 15,000 people cast vote for X, 23,650 people cast vote for Y, and 350 people cast vote even for both the candidates. यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले थाहा पाउनुपर्ने के छ भने इलेक्सनको रुलमा जस्तो तिमीहरूले पनि इलेक्सनको रुल थाहा होला. ओके, हाम्रो जस्तो मोडल इलेक्सन त स्कुलमा भइरहन्छ. मोडल इलेक्सन त्यसमा चाहिँ सपोज टु पर्सन आर स्ट्यान्डिङ फर द पोस्ट अफ स्कुल क्याप्टेन है त. सपोज देयर आर टु क्यान्डिडेट्स फर द पोस्ट अफ स्कुल क्याप्टेन. ओके, दुईटा स्कुल क्याप्टेनको लागि दुईजना छन् त्यहाँ सपोज. ओके, देयर आर टु candidates. Can you vote for both? Can you vote for both?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. If you vote, then what happens?
Unfair.
That okay, that is not unfair. That will be invalid vote. Your vote won't be counted. Okay, your vote won't be counted because your vote will be invalid. किन भन्दा स्कुल क्याप्टेनको लागि हामीले भोट गरिरहेका छौँ, स्कुल क्याप्टेनमा 2 क्यान्डिडेट्स आर देयर, दुवैलाई स्ट्याम्प लगायौँ या दुवैलाई हामीले भोट कास्ट गर्यौँ भने your vote will be invalid. Okay, हो यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले सेटको केसमा के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने यदि कसैले दुईटैलाई भोट हालेको छ भने त्यो भोट एउटाको लागि दुवैको लागि काउन्ट हुँदैन, दुवैको लागि काउन्ट हुँदैन, त्यो भोट के हुन्छ त, that vote will be invalid. ओके, यो बुझ्नु छ यहाँ सेटसँग मिल्दैन हाम्रो यो कुरा। हाम्रो यो क्वेशन सेटमा भए पनि सेटको जस्तो सेटको एउटा कुरा यहाँ के मिल्दैन भने यहाँ चाहिँ ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी भनेको दुवैलाई हालेको भोट यो ए को पनि हुँदैन बी को पनि हुँदैन। सपोज यहाँ एक्स र वाई क्यान्डिडेट छन्, कसैले एक्स र वाई दुवैलाई भोट हालिदियो भने ओके, इफ दे कास्ट भोट फर बोथ then that vote won't be of x and even won't be of y, है त, x को पनि हुँदैन y को पनि हुँदैन के त्यो भोट। क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके, हो यो एउटा रुल यहाँ थाहा पाउनु पर्ने छ। तर हाम्रो सेटमा त के हुन्छ, सेटमा ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी भनेको दुवैको हुन्छ सेटको केसमा है। हामीले जस्तो ए र बी दुईटा सेट छ, सिम्पल खालको क्वेशन हो भने ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी भनेको द्याट वुड बी अफ ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी भनेको के को हुन्छ त, ए को पनि हुन्छ बी को पनि हुन्छ। ओके, द भोट विल बी काउन्टेड। तर भोटको केसमा चाहिँ हुँदैन। अरू केसमा ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी को मिनिङ के हो, ए मा पनि पर्छ बी मा पनि पर्छ भन्ने हुन्छ। ओके, त्यो ए को पनि एलिमेन्ट हो बी को पनि एलिमेन्ट हो भन्ने बुझिन्छ। इन्टरसेक्सनको मिनिङ त्यस्तो हुन्छ। तर यहाँ चाहिँ बोथ भन्ने मिनिङले, यो भोट कास्टिङको केसमा बोथ भन्ने मिनिङले चाहिँ हामीलाई त्यो भोट एक्स को पनि हुँदैन वाई को पनि हुँदैन ए को पनि हुँदैन बी को पनि हुँदैन है त। त्यो भनेको के हुन्छ, द्याट विल बी डिफरेन्ट वान, त्यो भनेको इनभ्यालिड भोट हुन्छ। त्यसैले हामीले अब यहाँ बुझ्नुपर्छ, यहाँ अलिकति हाम्रो फर्मुला पनि फरक होला, हाम्रो भेन डायग्राम पनि डिफरेन्ट होला। ओके, त्यसैले इलेक्सनको यो रुल एउटा थाहा पाउनु पर्ने हो यहाँ है त सबैले। यु हेभ टु नो दिस रुल। इलेक्सनको एउटा रुल बुझ्नुपर्ने के हो त, दुवैलाई कास्ट भएको भोट दुवैको हुँदैन। ओके, दुवैलाई कास्ट भएको भोट हुन्छ नि, कसैले दुवैलाई कास्ट भोट गरिदियो भने ओके, द्याट त्यो भोट काउन्ट हुँदैन, एक्स को लागि पनि काउन्ट हुँदैन वाई को लागि पनि काउन्ट हुँदैन। ओके, दिस थिङ यु हेभ टु नो, यो बुझ्नु पर्यो। र यो भए पछाडि अब हामीलाई डिसजोइन्ट सेट भयो भने थाहा पाइराख्ने, तीनवटा यदि डिसजोइन्ट सेट हो भने सबैलाई प्लस गर्नुपर्छ, यहाँ हामीले माइनस गर्नुपर्ने हुँदैन। किनभने इन्टरसेक्सन दुवैको हुँदा पो हामीले इन्टरसेक्सनलाई माइनस गर्थ्यौँ। तर इन्टरसेक्सन अब कसैको पनि नभए पछाडि एक्स को पनि होइन त्यो वाई को पनि होइन भनेपछि त्यो के हो त, छुट्टै सेट हुन्छ। त्यो छुट्टै सेट भएपछि फर्मुलामा हामीले त्यसलाई प्लस गर्नुपर्छ है। ओके, वी हेभ टु एड नै गर्ने हो। त्यसैले दिस क्वेसन आई एम गोइङ टु सल्भ इट। ओके, सो वी हेभ गट 7 minutes left. I think we can do it है त। Let's solve this one. Solve गरौँ है त। Okay, so now let's see this one. So I'm going to rub this one, okay? Okay, so let's solve it. Solve गरौँ. If you didn't understand, then later also we'll do it. Okay. Question number 10A. Solution. Here, what is given in an election of municipality? X and Y were two candidates for the post of a mayor. हामीले सेट सपोज गर्नु पर्यो। एट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सपोज या सेट के को सपोज गर्ने हो, वी हैव टू सपोज द सेट अफ भोटर्स, भोटर को सेटलाई सपोज गर्ने हो है। ओके, सो यू क्यान सपोज या let X and Y be the sets of voters. Okay, voters ko set ho. Let X and Y be the sets of voters who were supposed to cast vote for candidates X and Y respectively. हामीलाई क्यान्डिडेट पनि X र Y गिभन छ. हामीले भोटरको सेटलाई पनि X र Y सपोज गर्यौं है. But we have supposed here, let X and Y be the sets of voters who are supposed to cast vote for candidates X and Y respectively. So now let's write here. Okay, यसमा did not cast पनि छ, vote त्यही भएर यहाँ कम्प्लिमेन्ट छ. So let's write here N of U. Okay, N of U भनेको total voters हरु कति छ त 40,000. So you can write here 40,000. Okay, and you 40,000. N of X भनेको X लाई vote cast गर्नेहरु कति छन् त 15,000 people cast vote for X. 15,000. Okay, and N of Y कति छ? You can see here N of Y भनेको 15,000 पछाडी 23,650. 23,650 people cast for Y. 350 people cast vote even for both भनेको छ. Even for both भनेको intersection. Okay, तर यो भनेको X को पनि हैन, Y को पनि हैन. We have already discussed. Okay, so यो भनेको चाहिँ 350. So complement हामीलाई given छैन. You can suppose here N of X union Y complement is equals to X. You can suppose. अब यसलाई सबभन्दा पहिले त हामीले Venn diagram मा शो गर्नुपर्ने छ. Now showing above information in a Venn diagram. Showing above information in a Venn diagram. अब Venn diagram अलिकति हाम्रो फरक हुन्छ यसमा. किन हुन्छ भन्दा यहाँ डिफरेन्ट हो, सेट्सहरु डिफरेन्ट हो नि त. हामीलाई डिफरेन्ट सेट हो है. इन्टरसेक्सन भनेर हामीले इन्टरसेक्सन गर्न पाइएन. यहाँ सपोज U हो भने यहाँ हामीले डिफरेन्ट सेट बनाउने 1 2 3. Okay, in this way डिफरेन्ट हो, डिसजोइन्ट सेट हो. किन डिसजोइन्ट सेट हो? X भनेको छुट्टै हो. ओके, X इन्टरसेक्सन Y भनेको छुट्टै हो अनि Y भनेको छुट्टै हो है त. सो यहाँ हामीले यसलाई simply you can write here 15,000. यहाँ चाहिँ इन्टरसेक्सन भनेको 350 अनि हामीलाई Y भनेको चाहिँ 23,650. Okay, so in this way we can write. अब यसलाई नोटेसनमा लेख्दाखेरि you can write here in notation. नोटेसनमा चाहिँ हामीले के लेख्न मिल्छ त? यसलाई यो भनेको n only लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ, n of X लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ है. यो किन भन्दा डिसजोइन्ट हो, n of X intersection Y. Okay, this one is n of Y. अब यहाँ बाहिर कम्प्लिमेन्ट पार्ट anywhere you can write. कम्प्लिमेन्ट त बाहिर हुन्छ. n of X union Y complement. Okay, n of X union Y complement. So in this way we have shown here in Venn diagram. Your Venn diagram, I hope you have understood this one. Okay, so II ma हामीलाई के सोधेको छ? In II number you are asked to find their X union Y complement. This equals to what? Okay, यो complement सोधेको छ. किन भन्दा how many people did not cast vote भनेको यही हो. How many people did not cast vote? अब by formula we'll use here one formula. Okay, त्यो फर्मुलामा चाहिँ हामीले यहाँ अलिकति डिफरेन्ट के छ त भन्दा यहाँ अन्ली नभइकन पनि ओके यहाँ डिफरेन्ट सेट डिस्जोइन्ट सेट भएको हुनाले यसो सबै कुराहरु के हुन्छ त प्लसमा हुन्छ. रिमेम्बर दिस वान. किन भन्दा all are different here. ओके न, सबै डिस्जोइन्ट सेट हो नि. डिस्जोइन्ट सेट भनेको सबैलाई प्लस गर्नुपर्छ. यहाँ अन्ली नभइकन पनि प्लस हुने इलेक्सनको क्वेशन. रिमेम्बर दैट वान है. इलेक्सनको क्वेशन हो भने सबै प्लस. रिमेम्बर दैट. ओके, इलेक्सनको क्वेशनमा हामीले सबैलाई प्लस गर्ने. Now you can put value here and you can find the value for n of X union Y complement. Okay, for this you can find. र लास्टमा हामीलाई सोधेको छ how many find the number of valid votes. Find the number of valid votes भनेको X लाई मात्रै परेको र Y लाई मात्र परेको भोट हो है. भ्यालिड भोट भनेको सिंगल क्यान्डिडेटलाई परेको भोट चाहिँ भ्यालिड भोट हो. यो सोधेको. यो सिम्पली एड गर्ने हो, यहाँ केही गर्नु छैन। नाउ यहाँ जस्ट यु हेभ टु एड हियर, ओके। nx प्लस ny भनेको सिम्पली एड गरिदिने, द्याट इज 15,000 प्लस 23,650, whatever you get, that will be answer. Okay, simply 8 गरिदियो भने we'll get your answer. So in this way you have to solve it. Okay, Zoom time is going to be over. You have to rejoin. है, सबैले rejoin गर्ने. Zoom time is going to be over. If you have any problem, okay, later on again we'll discuss. है त, केही problem छ भने